sir, can you please tell us about the growth of Omega over the years and also about innovation as such? Because everybody today, all institutions, previously it was only the universities which used to have incubation centers, but now even schools have started.
Yeah. So I'll start with the history of Omega. This was the year 2005 when a lady by name Jacqueline Celia, she was running a small Montessori school. She was a practitioner of Sahajmag meditation. Now this meditation practice is better known as heartfulness meditation. She had to shut down operation because she was on a rented premises, and she approached our guru at that point in time, Parthasarthi Rajagopalachari ji. So he said that why do we have to look for a rented place? Let us buy our own little space and start the school. This was 26th of June 2005. So the 151 kids moved in, and we had some more children coming in. So since then, the growth has been progressive, and we are now at about 6,200 children. We operate CBSE K to 12. Cambridge K to 12, IB at the diploma program, NIOS with the 9 to 12 and the open basic education platforms, as also the Davies learning strategies with a special needs curriculum emerging. So all put together, we are a multi-board school. The second question was, see, about innovation. We understand that the seed for all of this starts with the children's curiosity, and we've been progressively dumbing them down, so not to ask questions, not to challenge their own understanding. So what we did was to understand this mistake pretty early in our history, and started making these small flips in the children's need to ask questions and the role of the adult educators to make sure that they ask more and more questions. I mean, that's where the seed of ideation starts. We created a concept called an idea factory, and we started off with silly ideas. So, for example, I would say, can you design and find 10 uses to a glass hammer? So this sort of imposes a serious note of creative tension in the classroom, because the children understand that the hammer is used for whacking, and the minute the hammer, a glass hammer is whacked, it shatters. So you really seed this thought, and this thought generates interesting ideas and concepts. And these ideas progressively get converted to concepts, and these concepts are found to be used in services and products. You moved on to, let us say, incubation. So we are not at there. So we are a school, and for the children now to have an acute interest for, so the STEM subjects now, the STEAM subjects with the arts also getting integrated, we have elaborated this facility for students. Beginning 2008, 2009, we have partnered with IIT Madras in creating what is now emerging as the O Lab, or the virtual lab. We partnered with the CSIR and DST through the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, created a band of experiments, about 100 in number, so which came up through a book called Simple Task Great Concepts. So this happened as early as 2010-11. We lobbied and were one of the first 253 schools to have the Atal Tinkering Laboratory through the Atal Innovation Mission. We are trying hard to balance what we have to do in the core transactions of academics, but also to see how the children's learning get to become more and more relevant in the fast changing education landscape. Say, for children not only to be job seekers but also to be job creators and job providers, they need to look at the ideation, conversion of ideas to services and products, where you talk about innovation, but also the aspect of entrepreneurship that emerges through all of this. I would say, as a school, every single school now is aware of this particular need, and slowly but steadily, the environment, the K to 12 education environment, is also getting geared to prepare the children for college and post college careers, making them relevant to this changing career landscape. So, overall, this is the long and short of what we do at school.